Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix the problem where your Galaxy Watch is frozen. Now this one is not frozen. I'm going to show you what you can do in circumstances where your device becomes frozen. Let me explain what I mean. Let's say for example, you're stuck on a particular screen. You're getting no touch input, meaning that you cannot get anything out of the screen. It will not move. It can be any screen that is stuck on. I'll show you what to do in order to revive your watch. Now, as I said, it's not happening to this. So let's say, for example, you could be stuck on the app screen. You could be stuck on the main screen, menus, wherever, even within the app, and your device simply not moving or responding. Here's what you do. All right, so you're going to locate your power button and your home button, or back button, I should say, power and back button. All right, your screen most likely is going to be lit. And of course, frozen, could be even frozen on this screen right here. So you're going to hold both. From the frozen screen, you might not see anything on screen. Don't worry. All right, so as soon as you see this first screen here that says rebooting, that's it. All right, so what you're doing is to do a reset of the device or restart. So by doing that or forcing a restart, what's going to happen is that the device software is basically refreshed. And of course, in cases where you are not able to interface with the watch itself, it can actually save your device in terms of getting it back to functionality by force restarting the system. All right, so as soon as it starts back up, all right, so as soon as it's finished starting up, or the startup process, you should have back full functionality, as everything should be refreshed. All right, here you go. Apps are still loading, or loading in the background. There you go. All right, so it's back up and should be back up and functioning. All right, applies to any brand that you may have in terms of the Samsung smartwatches. All right, so I do hope this was useful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.